A lot of people have the challenge of blending the complexion on their face and the complexion on their body, like getting even skin tone on their face, on their body. And this is because in this our generation, we use different products for our face and our body. Now, when you use a different product for your body and for your face, it's actually very hard to blend your skin complexion, because this product, your body product, contains different ingredients and your face product contains different ingredients. They are going to be giving you different results. Okay, so when you buy from a particular brand, you buy both your face products and your body product from a particular brand, from a particular range, you are going to get a very good result. And that is what today's video is all about. I'm going to be giving you a full skincare routine for your face and for your body from the same brand. So who can use this skincare routine we're about to talk about? A fair person can use it, a caramel person can use it, a dark skinned person can use it. These are products with ingredients that can be used by all skin types and by all skin complexion. All these products, or the ingredients contained in these products, are going to do for you is to target specific skin issues you are having and treat it, and then glow your skin, brighten your skin, even out your skin, and give you a glowing, brighter skin. Okay, so if you're watching this video, no matter your complexion, this particular product is going to work for you. So I'm going to be calling out the product according to how you are going to use it. We are going to be starting with your body. So the first product I'm going to be recommending for you today is a body wash, and that is the Neutriherbs Brighten and Glow body wash. Now, this body wash contains vitamin C, it contains niacinamide, it contains hyaluronic acid, and it contains papain. This particular body wash is one of their best selling products because this body wash is going to help to brighten your skin. Now, some people that have used this body wash and have said that it really brightened their skin in 2 weeks, this is the way they used it. They apply it on their body like 10 to 15 minutes before having their bath. So that is giving your skin the time to absorb all the good nutrients that is contained in this particular body wash. You are going to get better results when you use it like that. But if you still use it normally to shower, you are still going to get the results you are looking for. But to get more active results faster, it is better to leave it on your body for a while, just like the lathering method I used to say. So if you can do that one, or you do the lathering method, which is taking time to rub it on your body. The whole point of the leaving it on your skin is just so your skin will reap more benefits from the product before it is being washed out of your skin. Remember, this is a rinse out product, and it also contains some important things that will help to brighten your skin. Only this body wash alone, a lot of people have recorded skin brightening in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. Okay, so now after the body wash, the next product is your body lotion, and that will be the Neutriherbs Vitamin C Brightening and Glow body lotion. Now, this particular body lotion also contains niacinamide, it contains vitamin C, it contains ferulic acid, and it contains hyaluronic acid. Okay, so can you see that these products contain a certain type of ingredients? Okay, they contain a certain type of ingredients that is targeting hyperpigmentation, targeting dark spots, targeting age spot, all your skin issues. These ingredients are going to help to tackle it. Uneven skin tone, dull skin. If you have any of this on your skin, okay, you have been battling with it, just use this skincare routine. Okay, we are going to talk more about how to like every other thing you need to know later on, but let's just proceed with the products. Right now, this is what you need for your skin. Okay, if you want to use a body scrub, you can get any body scrub, or you can still get a body scrub from this line. I'm going to be dropping the link to their website in the description box, so you can click the link and go to the website and see things for yourself. By the way, this is not a sponsored post. This is not a sponsored post. I'm just digging out, looking out for good products to come and recommend to you. And please like this video if you have not liked it up to now. Just click the like button, it's totally free. Okay, thank you. So the next place we are going to go to is your face, which is the most important place for a lot of people. Now, the first thing you are going to get for your face is a cleanser. A good cleanser is a base for your face. If you don't have a good cleanser for your face, you might not really get the results you are looking for, honestly. And that is going to be the Neutriherbs Vitamin C Brighten and Glow Face Cleanser. The face cleanser, which is the face wash, okay, the face cleanser is the face wash, not the chemical cleanser, right? It contains vitamin C, it contains orange, and it contains a lot of herbs. Just like the name of the brand says, Neutriherbs. They add herbs into every of their products. So you are sure that this is a natural based brand. You are sure that you are not using some product that is going to harm your skin over the time. Your first product for your face is the facial cleanser. Now, the second product I'm going to recommend for you for your face is going to be their face toner. Now, why do you need a face toner? If you are having if your face is dark, your face is darker than your body, you are going to need a face toner, because one, face toner helps to balance your skin pH. Because one reason your product is not working for you is that your skin is the pH is imbalanced. When the pH of your skin is imbalanced, nothing is going to be working on your skin. So a facial toner is going to help to balance your face pH and prepare your skin for the products you want to apply. So when you now apply those products, it is going to work for you. This is one of the reasons why all the face creams and all the face serums and all of the things you have been using have not been working for your face. So after washing your face with the cleanser, the next product you are going to go in with is the face toner. So the face toner is going to help to balance the pH of your face. It is going to help to tighten your face pores. It is also going to give you brightening properties, and it is going to help to hydrate your face. So if you are suffering from dry skin on your face, flakiness on your face, sunburn on your face, you are going to need this face toner. It is going to be a game changer in your skincare routine. Now, the next thing you are going to need for your face is the face serum, which is the vitamin C face serum. Now, this serum contains 15% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so you are going to, after cleaning your face with the face toner, you allow it to sit a bit, and then you go in with the face serum. This face serum is going to target your under eye, dark under eye. If you have that, it's going to help you with that. It is going to help you with dark spots. It is going to help you with uneven skin tone. It is going to help to give you this bright, radiant skin. Now, after that, the days you are not going out, you are going to apply your face cream, which is also going to be the vitamin C face cream. Okay, I'm leaving the pictures here, so I don't really think I need to be calling the names and all of that. So we are going to be fast. So you are going to use the face cream. Now, this face cream is lovely because it contains glutathione and it contains arbutin. So if you are suffering from dark spots, uneven skin tone, sunburn, if your face is looking tired and dull, you are like your skin is aging quickly on your face, then this face cream is going to help, because it's going to help to smoothen your face. It is going to help to improve the texture of your skin. Like, this face cream has like the highest review on the site. It is actually very, very good. You are going to need to use a sunscreen, and that is where their sunscreen SPF 50 comes in. Okay, you're going to use a sunscreen. So in the mornings, the day you are going out, you're going to cleanse your face with the face wash and also clean your face, okay, with a cotton swab. You're going to clean your face with the face toner, follow up with your facial serum, and then follow up with your sunscreen. For those of you that like to layer so much, you can do face serum, face cream, and sunscreen. But if you like your face to feel a bit lighter, then you do the serum and the sunscreen. Any way works for you. So you can do this wash, cleanse face, tone, okay, serum and SPF in the morning, and then at night you are going to cleanse, tone, and use your face cream in the night. So anyhow you prefer, but the point is, once you are going to be getting exposed to the sun, please use your sun protection, because one thing that is going to make skincare product not to work for you is the sun. Okay, it is as you are going out into the sun, it is going to make it to get darker. So this brand is sort of an organic brand, and anything that is organic, any brand that is based on natural, how natural their ingredients are, and not so much of synthetic products, you are going to give them time to work. Now, it's not if you buy one set, okay, your body is beginning to adapt to the product and beginning to adjust, you say it's not working and jump to another product. This is a brand or a product that you will need to use over and over again before it will totally give you what you want. But one thing I'm assuring you is that you are going to, from 2 weeks to 3 weeks of using this particular set, the full set, you are going to surely notice glow on your skin. You're going to notice radiance on your skin because the ingredients contained in the products are very good. Ferulic acid, glutathione, abatin, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, papain. Like, these are serious brightening, hydrating, moisturizing ingredients. Their ingredients are going to help you with hyperpigmentation, dull skin, uneven skin tone. Okay, so get this brand, get this product if you can, okay, and use it for a long period of time, and you are going to love your skin after that. So if you have any questions about this brand or about any other thing, let me know in the comment section. And as you all know, I'm always here with you 247. Let's have a conversation. Thank you for watching today's own, and I'm going to see you on our next one.